The Communist Party of China presents Real Men of YouTube Car Genius. Real Men of Genius! Today we celebrate you, Mr. Wuhan Whistler of automotive YouTube.
Mr. Couldn't afford the real stuff, so you bought the fake stuff.
I'm sure you have your packages forwarded to your friends so they can build your race car for you.
Put Mark on payroll.
And somehow you've tricked Holly into thinking that you're a legit mechanic.
How long until they terminate your sponsorship?
This is to the guy that spent more money on a half-dozen junkyard motors than a Texas speed long block. Jamie's fingernail updates are the only thing worth watching on mail time anymore. So here's to you, Mr. Car Guy that drives an automatic, because we've seen what happens when I try to drive a stick. What happened to the keto diet, by the way?